What is up, YouTube? I am back. I am so excited because my friend Dawud Islam has come out with a brand new course. And unlike a lot of the stuff that comes out these days, there's some really fresh, cool ideas there. I was really, really impressed with this thing, a lot more than I am with a lot of stuff that comes out. You may have noticed I haven't been putting out a lot of review videos lately because, frankly, I haven't found a whole lot of stuff that I care about reviewing. You know, I want something that's worth buying, and most of the stuff I've been seeing lately just has not been worth anything. As far as I was concerned, it really wasn't. But this one, really cool stuff. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Total Traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And why would that be? Well, it's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can porno successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you're not new, and by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as sour as well. The food I ate yesterday gave me a terrible stomachache. But seriously, anyway. I don't know. I went out for my birthday yesterday, and frankly, well, I didn't really go out because there's no indoor dining here in New York. But I went to get some. Took some takeout, and made me sick. Not a good birthday, but whatever. I'm over it. I'm over it. I'm done, and I'm back here to tell you wonderful people about some really cool stuff. Anyhow. If you are new to the channel, the way things work here is that I do two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do something, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Seriously, Bart? My cat is meowing in the background. I don't know if they can hear it on the video, but my cat is meowing in the background because she's upset with Bart. You know, Bart likes to do this all the time. He drives me crazy. Can't you get a new line? Seriously. Anyway, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My hat's the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. You see, Liz says the same thing every day also. You would think I get angry at her, but I really don't because, you know, she's a fellow New Yorker. You know, I like Liz, you know, and I love 30 Rock. It was a great show. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for Total Traffic. Now, I will be the first to tell you, I am not a fan of what Dawud does here. He's been using the same screenshots over and over again every time he does a launch. These are from July and I think June and July of 2020. Okay, and you know, I get that he's trying to show that he's been successful as a vendor and also as an affiliate. He's made some money, you know, but you know, I would prefer some new screenshots that are more recent. So, but that said, I took a look at Total Traffic, and you know, I'm really, really, really impressed with this one. This one, he really went all out for this one, and I was really excited about it. Now, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because I always have the best custom bonus, and this time I'm really, really going all out. So what I'm going to give you is like this. I'm going to give you my 5 different method traffic multiplier course. Now, you probably already have it, but what you don't have is PLR. To my traffic multiplier course. That means that you can use it as a bonus, and yes, you can bank off of my name with it. Now, pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you PLR to my other video where I show how I was able to make hundreds upon hundreds of dollars and get hundreds upon hundreds of brand new leads, all completely for free with about 5 minutes of work. Okay. Again, you may have this video. You do not have PLR to this video because I'm never giving away PLR to either of these videos. Pick up any upgrade to Total Traffic. You get PLR to that as well. So those are going to be the 2 bonuses that are available from me personally. I'm also going to throw in personal use rights to a bunch of other traffic courses that I have. You know, I'll probably put in like about five or six other traffic courses, but you won't have PLR to those. You are going to get PLR to my traffic multiplier, and you're going to get PLR to my other video. If you pick up any upgrade, you're going to get PLR to that as well. So those are going to be available to you as my custom modules. In addition to that, take a look down below. You're going to see there's going to be a list of other courses that I'm giving away as basically just a personal use. You don't have PLR to them, but you do have personal use to them. You can learn from them. But let's take a look at total traffic, because this is a really, really, really cool thing. You know, like I was super impressed with this thing. Check this out. There's 15 different methods of generating traffic, okay? And I know that traffic is the #1 issue that people tend to have when they're trying to build a brand new online business. Once you start getting into it, once you start building a list, it gets easier. But I mean, even now, I still want more traffic. And look at this, there's 15 different methods. A lot of them I was not familiar with, okay? There's a lot of methods here that I had never, ever heard of. And some really nice stuff. You know, I didn't think that there would be this many different methods, but he's really come up with some stuff that I have never ever heard of that's really going to help you out a lot with generating traffic. It does cost $12.95, pretty good price, especially when you consider you get PLR to my own Traffic Multiplier course. Okay, pick up any upgrade. You're also going to get PLR to my video on how I was able to generate. I think it was about, at the time I recorded, about $800 or $900 or maybe $1,200, something like that, and about 600 or 700 leads. By now it's over $2,000 and over 1,000 leads. Still using the same method, still making money off of it. It's been really, really awesome, and it really does work really, really well for me, and it can work well for you too. Basically, it's a very simple method to use, and it really does work. It really has made me a ton of money directly and indirectly also, because I've gotten leads who have gone on to buy other things. You may very well have come on to my list because of this particular method that I've been using. So it's really, really a great method that really does work really, really well. And of course, the Traffic Multiplier has 5 really great methods. And again, you're going to get full PLR rights to the Traffic Multiplier when you pick up total traffic from me. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, I mean, that was obvious, right? You know, seriously, you tip my hat. I mean, I really like this course a lot. And I don't get excited about a lot of courses these days. You may have noticed I haven't posted a review video in over a week. That's because a lot of the stuff that's been coming out has been just plain crap that I really wasn't interested in. I didn't care about. This one has so much useful stuff that I was like, wow, this is worth picking up. Go ahead and grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love it.